pros and cons of living in Tallahassee reveal a side of Florida that most outsiders never get to see. Before we look at the incredible financial savings, there is a massive housing statistic you should know. Later in this video, I will share a specific neighborhood secret that completely changed my perspective. When I first arrived in this capital city, the massive canopy roads and green hills caught me by surprise. The overall quality of life here is deeply tied to a unique southern charm mixed with college energy. This environment contributes to a high happiness index, which you can feel when talking to the locals. I remember sitting in a local cafe and realizing how completely different this town feels from Miami. The local cost of living is highly appealing because it's 6% below the national average. Healthcare options are robust and accessible, running 27% below the national average. Now let us look at the real estate market, which fulfills the major housing promise I mentioned earlier. If you buy a typical home here, the median price is around $275,000. That means a normal family can afford a 3-bedroom house without facing impossible mortgage debts. This affordability directly supports the strong future growth and local growth opportunities for careers. Education is another major pillar anchored by the excellent Florida State University campus. The presence of Florida A&M University also brings incredible cultural diversity to the community. Now let us address that neighborhood secret which showcases the deep sense of local community here. Walking through the quiet streets of Midtown and Southwood made me realize how welcoming this town is. The local lifestyle and entertainment options range from college football games to quiet state parks. It made me realize that finding a balance between excitement and peace is actually possible here. To properly weigh the pros and cons of living in Tallahassee, we must also look at the summer climate. Transportation and traffic can become slightly congested, especially during peak college semesters. The landscape is car dependent, and you must prepare for seasonal tropical storms by staying vigilant. To address the safety and crime rate, you should focus your home search on the right neighborhoods. You can take action now by researching Midtown housing, checking utility budgets, and visiting in July. Choosing where to settle is a personal journey, and this unique city offers a truly distinct path forward.